Alright guys, so when you add baking soda to ketchup, it actually explodes when it gets shooken up. So this makes for a great recipe for pranks. So we're actually gonna prank my girlfriend. We're gonna set her up nicely. And she shakes this up, it's gonna go boom. Yeah, come closer. Let's get this. The more, the merrier. So I'm gonna wrap it up, and we're gonna make her some food now. So, right there. All right, come with me, come. So let's make her some dinner. Give me the camera. We're gonna call her in now, and let's do this, okay? Gila! Gila! Gila!
Yeah?
Come in. What are you doing?
Chillin'? What?
I made you a little bit of lunch. What happened?
It's cold.
Yeah, my bad.
Okay.
What did you do?
Oh my god!
Kayla! What did you do?
This looks like someone got murdered! Look, Joe!
Oh my gosh!
It literally looks like someone got murdered!
What did you do? Pick
Oh
up the
my-
dog, don't let her step in it.
Oh my god, no!
Oh, you're
these are-
covered in it, never mind.
Oh no!
Oh my god, it's every...
It's literally everywhere!
Oh! It's still going.
What the heck?
What did you do?
Bro, this is insane.
Man.
That's so funny.
Everywhere. Yo, how are we gonna clean this? It's on donuts. It's on the dog's paws now. Oh man. Wow.
Oh no.
That's something else.
That's crazy.
What? How did you do this?
I don't know. Something's wrong with that ketchup. Like, my shoes are covered right now.
Oh no.
Oh my god, it's still going. Something's wrong with that. We could sue them for that.
I think we should.
I think I should sue them.
I think you should sue them. That's a really.
Go get my phone.
Alright, let's.
I'm gonna go tweet about this.
You're gonna go.
People need to be
complain.
careful.
You're gonna go complain now.